Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Let's check out what happened in 2020.
But first of all, we would like to thank our partners who have joined the PetrolPals family. Road Airwear, Race Shop and Air Customs.
We participated in several drift events this year, from grassroots to pro level, and we also managed to build 3 different cars, one 316 Touring, one 316 Compact and a Dual Suzuki. Sadly, in this year we couldn't manage to go visit our friends in foreign countries, but we will see what happens in the next season.
Back to the cars. The Touring is under construction. Unfortunately, we blew up the heart of the Compact. The new swap in progress. We welded together 2 Suzukis. Man, it was a busy year.
For sure.
So, thank you very much for everybody who supported us. You guys are the reason why we are doing this.
And we promise that we will come back with more awesome content in 2021. Now, let's enjoy the highlights.
It's good to have a mechanic around, because otherwise you can't go to the derby.
Rest in peace.